able to recover. Archie spins and scores. Simon, blocked by Baltazar. Asa, Serrano. Oh! Oh, wow! Atake, spin move, Encho. Layup is gawin na yun.
Giant Lantern.
Jumper is good. And the bazooka is feeling it. Concepcion, dire-diretso. Ay Archie Concepcion.
Coming from the other
Oh!
Ang inaabangang bakbakan ng Pampanga at Quezon. Nagpasiklab at nagpakilig si The Bazooka Concepcion sa Pampanga crowd. Pampanga crowd goes wild, malala. Lalo tumindi nung nangyari ang alley-oop dunk, may na-posterize pa.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
kung sino ang magiging starters nila.
That's right. We are underway. Giant Lanterns, this is the home court of the franchise before they moved to the Brenzigao Convention Center. Lervin Torres was not there. The starting lineups were announced. Siya yung may pinakamalakas na palakpak. Concepcion, 2 points. Concepcion able to recover. Archie spins and scores. You expect a low-scoring affair here, Coach.
Oo.
Archie. Oh! Parang fade away na yun. LJ Gonzalez knocks down the jumper. Archie. Inatrasan ang depensa. Launches the three. It's good. 9 points.
Imagine the defense na ginagawa nitong Giant Lanterns.
How about Archie Concepcion?
Only allowing one field. Si Joe nag-abot pa ito sa Marikina, correct?
Yeah. Coriza.
Yeah, I mentioned him that will play use kung ano yung adjustment na kailangan nilang gawin. For Pampanga not to be that, they need to be more in control in terms of on defense kasi they fouled a lot.
Fake. Pero binigay niya sa labas kay Gabanal. Jason Apiso for 3. It's good. Simon. They have the numbers. Sandago on dire-diretso for 2.
Oo.
It's a Pampanga type of game, really. Encho, nabitawan ng bola, recovers and scores.
Oo. And you know, that's danger every
That one up. LJ, Simon, blocked by Baltazar. Serrano, back to MJ Garcia.
How fast.
Oh, what a finish from MJ Garcia.
Hindi
In front of him. MJ against Ibanez. Garcia looking for a way through. 12 from beyond the arc as well. Torres for 3. Yes. Over. Archie Concepcion. Jumper is good.
alam mo,
Is open. Oh, masyado malakas. Ang pasa. Serrano. Oh! Oh, wow! Incredible! Opiso wants it against Gozum.
magandang matchup to.
Jason Opiso. So, turns the corner. Step back 3. Short. Garcia. Oh! Kahit
Pagpagan niyang kumuha ng offensive rebound.
RJ Minerva knocks down the jumper. Nice pass for Ibanez. The Encho Serrano. They go back to Baltasar. Still looking for his first basket. Naagaw ni Ibanez. Bounce pass. Torres for 2.
And alam mo, kanina ko pa nararamdaman yung intimidation on Minerva eh.
And Justin Baltasar.
Because of, ayun nga eh, dun sa fouls na ibinibigay naman ng Giant Lanterns.
Minerva backs into 3. Half-court shot. Good stop there for Quezon to start the second half. LJ Gonzalez takes it strong to the cup.
And Chad,
Serrano sees a free lane. Encho lays it in for 2. Biggest lead in the First quarter, Sandago on the teardrop. Ito yung mukhang Quezon. Ibanez leaves it to Opiso for 2. Concepcion launches the 3. Off the glass and in. 21 in the ball.
Boarding.
Torres, sinagot ang 3 ni Archie.
Oo, that's the second time already na yung ganung pasa ni Encho.
Gravera up top, yes!
Equal contributions coming from the other
Oh! Look out below! Simon Sandagon! Tied at 59. Concepcion knocks down the 3.
50 minutes out from Letong Kalaro del Gravera.
LJ, the one-hander is good.
Ayan na naman.
Sandagon inside to LJ Gonzalez. Now he's defending Archie Concepcion. Concepcion, dire-derecho. Basket plus the foul para kay Archie Concepcion. Jumper is good. And the bazooka is feeling it.
Oo.
Tamsi will try again. Yes! 2 of 9 para kay Atam. Archie Concepcion. That's last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner. Jay Gonzalez. Buhay pa yung Quezon dito. Gonzalez for 3. No good. And the big rebound para kay Encho Serrano.
Oo.
And they need to foul.
Wasn't able to convert. Pero parang pakiramdam ko sila pa yung nagbig. Exactly.
And not leave anything dun sa outside shot para bigyan ng chance ang Quezon as that's been the story of the game for Quezon, missing a lot of three-pointers, but what a performance to close out the regular season.
Actually, coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko nag-comment ako din sa kanya.
Big Time Plays, shoutout pala sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much.
Amazing! Bawal malate!
Mga eksena. Pogi si subscribe niyo sa Big Time Plays, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
So, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa
Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
For more basketball news and updates, just click the notification bell. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, please subscribe and support my channel, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go!
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!